Hey guys, this is how to fix Lloyd's Bank app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions. And for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So first what you will do is simply tap on the Google Play Store and just simply tap on the search at the bottom and go for the search bar at the top and just simply search for the application. And now from here, just simply tap on it. And when there is an update, you should be able to update it over here. And guys, just ensure that you are running the latest version of the app and just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update as well. Now, for the second solution is just simply go to the settings into your device and just simply scroll down and just simply go for the apps. And after that, just simply try to find the Lloyd's banking application over here. And now just simply tap on it. And after that, just simply tap on storage and tap on clear cache, and you should be able to fix the issue. But if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK, and you should be able to reset the application. Now, for the second solution, is just simply go ahead and hold the application and just simply tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And after that, just simply go back to the Google Play Store and just simply reinstall it back again into your device, and you should be able to fix it. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya.